Hi, this is Mike Collinson here again. Just recently bought some tie-down straps or ratchet straps, and for the first time using them, I found it quite difficult to know what to do. And now I've sorted it out, I thought other people might like to see what I've done. So here it goes. This is the sort of thing I'm talking about. They're pretty universal the world over. I think they may be slightly different designs, but they all operate pretty much in the same way. So I'm going to show you how to attach this, ratchet it up. Just as important, you have to take it away afterwards. So here we go. The ratchet straps come in two parts. This is the main ratchet piece, which comes with a hook at one end. The first thing to do is to attach this to the end that you want to secure. So, for example, I've got a couple of screws put in this piece of wood, and make sure that this ratchet handle is upwards. Okay. The other part is basically a hook on one end and a length of nylon webbing. So we attach that to the other end. Now this feeds through, I'll show you closely, this feeds through the slot in here. So pull this through. And feed it back through again over the top. There we go. So it's just fed like this. Okay. So we put the hook on the end that we want to secure. Pull up the slack. Just hold it and then use the ratchet, and as you can see, this you can ratchet up as hard as you like. I'm bending the screw now. Now to take this apart, I'll bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. There are two pieces to pull up, this here and this one here. So this gets pulled out and that gets pulled out at the same time.
Sorry about that, the camera was in the wrong position. Here's a still photo showing the two pieces that need just pulling apart to open it up.
So pull that, and the whole thing just slackens off, and then this could be pulled out. Finished.
Hope this video has been useful for somebody, and if it has and you liked it, a thumbs up would be appreciated, and if you don't already, perhaps you'd like to think about subscribing for future updates. Take care, see you next time.